welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in a hot minute, but this has been highly requested, like no joke. A ton of you have requested this, so I've been saving up some tubes for like a while now. Let's start with the ones I got. I got this small one. It's tiny. Toilet paper roll. This tube. And then I got this one. The giantest tube I have ever seen. Well, besides like a... Oh, I should have used one of those. Like a wrapping paper tube. Maybe next time. So, I'm going to burp in all these tubes. I've already been practicing like throughout the week. And these are freaking awesome. So, here we go. We're gonna start with the little baby one first. Oh, and I also don't have a drink with me. This is all completely air burp. That one's pretty cool. Let's do the toilet paper. I have not done the toilet paper one though. I just got this one right now. That one's alright. Let's do this one. This one's like a tool for like tool, you know? Okay, now let's do the last big kahuna. That was pretty awesome. Let me know in the comments below which one you like the most, and maybe I'll do another video with one of these. My battery's almost dead, so I gotta go. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna do one last with this one because this one was my favorite. Love ya. Don't forget to subscribe and like.